Here is the $13.67 DUSICHIN Foam Cannon in action. The unboxing is pretty straightforward. Everything arrived in the box here. We need to unpack the contents and simply assemble the foam cannon. Next, we load car soap and connect to a standard pressure washer. Besides the foam cannon itself, it's nice that the package includes 5 pressure washer tips. The pressure washer uses more car soap than when using a bucket for a basic car wash. Therefore, you need to fill the reservoir properly or the soap gets a bit thin. Overall, the foam cannon worked well and the price is quite competitive. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment, give a thumbs up, consider subscribing to this channel, and click on the bell icon for future updates. Thank you for watching.